See a workflow that lets you scrape full LinkedIn profiles for any lead just from the lead's full name. This demo showcases how LinkFinder AI simplifies finding detailed LinkedIn information to enhance your sales and marketing efforts. Click the first link in the video description to visit LinkFinder AI's website. Switch to the LinkFinder AI website to begin setting up your account. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account on LinkFinder AI. Import the N8N workflow from the video description into your own N8N instance. Click Google Sheets Trigger to set up the workflow trigger based on new rows. Click here to configure the Google Sheets trigger for lead data input. Switch to the Google Sheets document containing the lead information. Here you can see that the Google Sheet triggering the workflow contain only names and company names of the leads we want to scrap. Switch back to the N8N workflow to continue setup. Click here to access the next step in the lead finding workflow. Click here to open the specific node handling lead data processing. Switch back to LinkFinder AI to manage API access settings. Click API Access to view and manage your API keys. Click here to reveal your API key for authentication purposes. Switch to the Batch Lead Finder application to input your API key. Click the field containing your API key to prepare for copying. Fill the authorization parameter with your API key to enable access. Click Lead Full Name to Linked in URL to configure the lead lookup API call. Switch to LinkFinder AI's API documentation for reference. Click View API Docs to explore available API endpoints and usage. Click B2B Data Lookup to find APIs related to business data enrichment. Click Find a person's LinkedIn URL from their full name and company to see details. Click the curl command example showing how to call the LinkedIn URL API. Switch back to Batch Lead Finder to continue workflow setup. Click JSON Name to map lead names in the workflow. Click here to proceed to the next step in the workflow. Click here to continue workflow configuration. Click Authorization to manage API authentication details. Click the API key field to prepare for input or verification. Fill the authorization parameter with your API key for authentication. Click LinkedIn Profile to LinkedIn Info to configure profile data retrieval. Click JSON Result to map the API response in the workflow. Click here to proceed with workflow configuration. Click LinkFinder AI. Get Full Profile 1 to retrieve complete profile data. Click JSON.poll URL to map the polling URL for API results. Click the API key field to prepare for authentication input. Fill the authorization parameter with your LinkFinder AI API key. Click here to proceed with workflow execution. Click Execute Workflow to run the lead scraping process and see results. Click here to view workflow output and lead data. Click Sremska Mitrovica, Serbia to view location-specific lead data. Click here to complete the workflow and finalize lead data processing.